Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. It's not as easy to see during the day, but these awesome string lights from Chinety are so beautiful at night. This is 196 feet of blinking LED lights, and what's really neat is that they're completely solar powered. I found that this was very easy to set up. It came with brackets that you can install right along your railing so that it stays in place. Once you have it installed, you hook up your solar panel, and these lights come on automatically at dusk every day. Even after having them for a couple of months, I'm really pleasantly surprised by how well that they light up. When I first put them up, I was not sure because they are a lot smaller than ones that I've had in the past. However, I'm really impressed because these lights, like clockwork, come on at dusk. They have a beautiful twinkle. This is the blue color, so it's a really nice muted blue, and it just adds just a nice little bit of a touch to your outdoor lighting. If you're looking for a really cute option so that you can have some lights out at night, they're great. They've lasted throughout different weather that we've had. And as I mentioned, like clockwork, they come on automatically when the sun starts to go down. That solar panel works so well. I made sure that it faced east, and I have really cute, super cute LED lights that come on for us in the evening. I love them, super impressed with them, but that's just my point of view.